Hi everybody, my name's Donna. I'm from Port Elizabeth. I'm 41 years old and I have very severe dark under eye circles. I've also got quite a bit of pigmentation and I saw Perfect Shade Cosmetics on Facebook and I saw that they were looking for a model and I contacted Shiloh and she was happy to do a makeover and hoping to see what the end result is and if the makeover actually helps with the coverage that I need.
So this is Donna, and I'm going to start off by cleaning her skin with our day cream and a little bit of snail cream because she's quite dry underneath her eyes. So I'm going to put a bit of day cream on my facial wipe just to cleanse her skin. So this is the freckle cream that we are using. This is the day freckle cream that we use to cleanse and do an allergy test. And then this is the night snail repair, or my lady snail repair that we use to cleanse. And we use the vitamin C serum, a squirt of this. That's the vitamin C serum for the dark areas. So all of this is done to establish if the client is allergic to our skincare products. But at the same time, we are cleansing the skin. So it's working in two ways. Right, so just giving it a good wipe and then cleansing. And at the same time, removing all of her dry, dead skin because our products are high definition and then the foundation will catch on these areas if it has not been prepped properly. Next, I'm going to apply the Real Eye Cream underneath her eyes because she's got dark circles. So that's the Real Eye Cream, the Oh My Lady Instant Real Eye Cream. And I'm just applying a small amount. Look up for me. And applying it all the way up to her lashes. Small amount like that. And underneath her eyes, all the way up to her lashes. Getting into all the small corners. And while that's taking effect and freezing, I'm going to apply primer on the rest of her face. This is our Shiloh Beauty Photoshop primer that we apply. This is also an SPF 50 primer. And you're going to see how it blurs out her mark so that you actually use a lot less product when you're correcting and applying your foundation. Take it all the way down to your collarbone, over the eye, completely avoiding the area where I've applied the Real Eye Cream because that is still taking effect. Can apply a little bit more if you have quite oily skin, just to ensure that you create a really matte base. And this is perfect for filling holes, which Donna has. She's got open pores. So it's smoothing all of that because this is not a silicone-based primer. So it's completely smooth. You can see how the Real Eye Cream is taking effect. Her dark circles are looking a lot less prominent. Right, you can face the camera again. Next, I'm applying the Ultra Essence foundation / corrector in Latte. Okay, so that's the Shiloh Beauty Latte corrector. Look up for me. So I'm going over the Real Eye Cream and just blotting on anywhere where she's got little blemishes and freckles. Next, I'm applying the Honey foundation. The Ultra Essence Honey Foundation. So don't blend your corrector in, just go over it like this. And you can see how the combination of the peach and the yellow just blends into her skin tone. So just one blot and spread it out. Go over the eye area, blend it into the hairline, blend, blend, blend. If you've applied too much of product, just keep blending over that, and that just spreads out the product evenly so that you don't have too much of product on the skin. Just keep patting on an area to blend it out. Blend underneath her eyes with a smaller brush and with a little bit of foundation. Close her eyes for me. Just going to go over. And basically just touching up on areas that needs extra coverage, spot concealing, spot correcting. Turn your face a little bit more. There we go. That's perfect. Just want to get to all of the little blemishes here. Okay, and just spot correcting on areas that needs extra coverage, focusing on Donna's eye area because she does have dark circles. Okay, around the nose. Okay, next I'm using the number 5 powder. So we are using Shiloh Beauty number 5 to neutralize her pink and yellow tones. Close your eyes for me. So you can face the camera, and now I'm going to brush away. Keep your eyes closed. Just packing in powder in her open pores. Turn to face me. Perfect. Packing it in and just brushing away. Turn to face the camera. Right, because Donna has some dry areas, next I'm going to spray her face with fixing spray. That's our fixing spray, just to hydrate some areas and to make it look nice and dewy and moist. Okay, so keep your eyes closed. I'm going to spray your face, and I'm going to spray it again. Next, I'm going to do her brows with our brow tattoo in number 10. So that's our Miss Rose brow tattoo in number 10. Keep your eyes closed for me. Turn your face towards me slightly. Okay, close your eyes. Next, I'm going to use the brow tattoo to show you how to do a smoky look. Keep your eyes closed. Turn to face me, and just going to use our shading brush to smudge out the corners. Next, I'm using our Radiant Image palette. And I'm going to be using Goddess Glow and Kimmy Boo on her lids and a bit of Glow Girl. Starting off with Goddess Glow first. Close your eyes and just blending on the lids. Using a bit of Goddess Glow, and I'll brush over with Kimmy Boo at the end. Just blending out the shading area. Okay, next I'm going to use the stamp liner, our Miss Rose stamp liner, to give her a winged eye. Close your eyes for me. I'm going to start off with the wing side first to determine how high I want to go for her, and I'm going to give her quite a bit of a lift. Good, close your eyes. Next, I'm going to do the mascara. Okay, close your eyes for me, turn to face me a bit, head down a little bit. Face the camera. Leave your eyes closed. I'm going to fix underneath when you're done. Next, I'm going to use a combination of Rosy and Ready, Kimmy Boo, and Goddess Glow on her cheeks. Starting off with Rosy and Ready first from our Shiloh Beauty Highlighter Palette, giving her some color. Face me. Touch of Goddess Glow. Smile for me. Smile. Face the camera. Yeah. Close your eyes. Just touching your nose with Kimmy Boo. Next, I'm going to use a combination of Pink Fluff Gloss with Starlight and then Crystal Over. Lips together, smile. Okay, that was Pink Fluff. Now I'm applying Starlight. Give you a little bit of sparkle on your lips. And a dab of Starlight just at the top and the bottom center. Next, I'm going to do a mascara underneath the eyes and clean up at the same time with number 5 powder. Look up for me. I'm going to first clean up. Look up. Don't look at my brush. Head down a bit. Okay, I'm going to just fix your face again. Okay, ladies, so I'm just going to finish off her look with the fixing spray. Close your eyes for me, Donna. And just spray it again to give you that long-lasting, dewy finish that's guaranteed to last 16 to 24 hours. So, ladies, if you'd like to see more of these amazing tutorials, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shiloh Beauty. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. To those ladies that have already subscribed, until the next tutorial, bye.
Okay, so now I'm going to have a look at my beautiful, stunning makeover. It looks so natural. It feels natural. Unbelievably how quickly it went, and I honestly thought there was going to be a lot of foundation being used, a lot of concealer being used, but as you ladies saw, it just dab, 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 and it's really given me 150% coverage. I would highly recommend it to anyone, and Shiloh, thank you for the beautiful transformation. Okay.
Hi my beautiful loves, it's Shiloh Wood here from Perfect Shade Cosmetics. I just wanted to emphasize, and talk to you about my the free makeovers that we are offering here at Perfect Shade Cosmetics. Ladies, it's free. Just go to your stockers and just have a beautiful experience. Just let them pamper you from your skin to your makeup because you deserve it. After this lockdown, everybody's feeling blech, really need a pep up, really need to, look beautiful. Just go through and have a beautiful experience. Now remember, our stores are in Randburg in Johannesburg, in East Rand in Johannesburg, and in Cape Town. We are open in the north, but wait for details. We are actually opening in the south as well. In PE, we have a store, and in the Bluff in Durban, we have a store, as well as in Umhlanga, we have a store. So ladies, please go through and have your beautiful experience with a free makeover with any one of our stockers or stores because you deserve it. Much love from me. Bye.